tallying logic for RMFM. So far, if you have not tallied your RMFM, you can apply this tallying logic for a given period and tally your RMFM, and thereafter you have to do this exercise every month to tally your RMFM. In this topic, what we are going to see, the exercise what we did in Western Region Coimbatore last year to tally our RMFM figures. Step 1. There are two steps involved in tallying RMFM. The step 1, we are going to find the actual RMFM usage. This figure you are going to get from the machine, RMFM machine. Okay. So you are going to prepare a FM usage report from the FM meter reading, that is ascending meter reading. We are going to find the difference of ascending meter reading to find the actual FM usage. Okay. Okay. Please look into this table. This table we prepared for an office. Okay. This office has got 3 machines. 2 machines is in BPC and 1 machine is in customer place. So we are going to consider both departmental franking machines and private franking machines. Okay. So this exercise we did for period between 1/4/2020 to 28/2/2021. Okay. So machine 1, machine 2, machine 3. We took the figure for machine 1 ascending meter reading as on 28/2/2021. Similarly, we took the figure for machine 2 and machine 3. We have summed up all these figures to get the closing ascending meter reading as on 28/2/2021. Okay. Then we are going to deduct the opening ascending meter reading of all machines as on 1/4/2020. That is opening reading. Okay. This is nothing but we are going to find the difference between closing ascending meter reading and opening ascending meter reading. As on 1/4/2020, x plus y plus z. This is the total of opening ascending meter reading as on 1/4/2020. We are going to find the difference, and the difference between these two is the actual revenue generated by using RMFM. Okay, this is the step 1. Step 2. Step 2, we are going to compare this figure with SAP. We are going to compare the actual usage with what is accounted in SAP. Step 2, how to generate the figure which is accounted in SAP. We are going to use the menu FAGLL03 and we are going to use this menu on GL code 1101230 This GL is nothing but RMFM GL. For a financial year, we are going to filter only the debit entries. There will be a credit entry with RV document, that is nothing but the credit entry will come once the customer connects the machine live. Okay, that figure we are not going to consider. We are going to consider only the debit postings available in RMFM GL. How to get that figure we will see. So this is our SAP. Here I am going to enter as FAGLL03. Enter the GL account for RMFM 1101230 is nothing but RMFM GL. Given period, last year we did this for a period between 1/4/2020 to 28/2/2021. If you are going to do this exercise, you can fix the from period as 1/4/2021 and to date as last working day of the previous month. Here there is a menu, there is a icon custom selections. You click on this custom selections icon, enter the financial year as 2021. Here I am entering as 2020 because this is the last year tallying method what we follow. This year we have to apply 2021 and enter the profit center of the office. This office has got three machines, two is in customer place, two is in office and one is in customer place. We will get the total figure of all the machines. Okay. In the topic I said we are going to filter only the debit entries. If you click save, you will get the both debit entries and credit entries. I am going to filter only the debit entries. So I am clicking on this new field selection. Okay, click on this new field selection, and there are four tabs. You expand this third tab, GL account line items. You click here. This will expand the GL line items, and there you choose posting key. Okay, from the third tab you choose posting key. You will get a additional field here. Okay, as posting key. In this you enter 40. 40 is nothing but debit. 40 is debit, 50 is credit. Here we are going to filter only the debit entries. So we are going to enter 40 here and click save and then click execute. Now we got the total figure accounted in SAP. See, 3,27,975 is the total figure accounted in SAP for RMFM. What we are going to do? We are going to compare this figure with the figure what we get from step 1. In the next step, what is the tallying logic? A tallying logic is nothing but the figure what we get from step 1, that is the difference in ascending meter reading for a given period. We are going to compare this with the sum of debit entries in RMFM GL for a given period. This two should be equal. If this is equal, it means that you are making correct voucher posting for ordinary articles, bill mail service, etc. If there is difference, there are two chances. The step 1, in 99% of cases, you will have the step 2 figure less than the step 1 figure. That is, the difference in ascending meter reading will be more, and which is accounted in SAP will be less in 99% of the cases. That means you have not done voucher posting for ordinary articles. Then you have to make a voucher posting for ordinary articles. What is the voucher posting? This is the voucher posting. The voucher posting what you have to make is 40 RMFM GL and 50 PRC business post. You can credit either PRC business post or you can credit PRC postage realized in cash for ordinary articles GL. You can credit anything, but it depends on your division or region. If your region says the RMFM revenue is to be accounted in business post GL, you can use PRC business post. If your division says you have to account this in postage relation cash for ordinary articles, you can very well do it for them. So you first consider your division in which GL it has to be accounted. Okay. So in 99% of the cases, you have to make voucher posting in this format: debit RMFM GL and credit PRC business post GL. In rare cases, step 1 figure will be less than the step 2 figure. That means you have posted excess for ordinary articles. That means, okay, if you have did excess postings, you have to make a reversal entry as 40 PRC business post, 50 RMFM GL. Reverse entry. If you have posted it in PRC business post earlier, now you have to make a reverse posting as 40 PRC business post and 50 RMFM GL if step 2 figure is higher than step 1 figure. That will be in very rare case only. In 99% of the cases, you have to make voucher posting in this format only. Thereafter, if you try to tally by doing this exercise every month, then you will have your RMFM accounting going correctly. Once this is done in right path, only then it will be possible for you